Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this invalid profile error on your computer with the error code E32F-0, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer and now you're going to go to your C drive, Xbox Games, Game Save, PGS, and now you're going to have a folder with a name like this. So now what you're going to do is you're going to rename this folder, click on to rename, and then add anything like test or old on here, and then move this file into any other location, so like in your D drive for example. After that, now what you're going to do is you're going to click close on it, and then you're going to open up the Xbox app, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click on gaming services repair tool, and then click start repairing. And now it will diagnose your issue, and once it finds the issue, it will fix it on its own. After it's done with that, you're going to sign out from your Xbox account and then close the Xbox app, restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. Now you're going to sign in with your account. Once you're done signing in, minimize the Xbox app, open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, and then click verify and tag it to your game files here. Once you do that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that invalid profile error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.